All right, welcome to 30 Day Summer Burn, day 1. It's upper body circuit. I need 3 rounds with 60-second rest in between each one. We're gonna start off with some push-ups. This was my 3rd round, so be kind. Here we go to some bicep curls, feet right underneath the hips, engage the glutes, bring the belly to the spine. Let the biceps do the lifting, not the hand. Go ahead and give your hands a little break, but we're trying to do very minimal rest. All right, let's move on. Overhead tricep extensions. Make sure those hips stay over the ankles. Into the ground, hinge forward in the hips, drive those hips back, keep that natural curve in the lumbar spine, roll those elbows up. The overhead press, still engage the glutes, bring the core to the spine, make sure you're not driving those hips forward, that they're over the ankles. After this, 3 rounds of this, we're doing 20 minutes of steady state cardio. Get your heart rate up. I don't care what you do, bike, stairs, running, whatever you want. Let's go.